Hello everyone. Today I have a natural glaze. I would like you enjoy the journey. It's only 5 minutes and you will learn how to make natural fresh glaze. It's very easy recipe. All you need is 480 milliliter water, 300 gram sugar, 300 gram glucose, 36 gram pectin and 80 gram sugar. This is a side. Just to mix the pectin NH with the 80 gram sugar, 2 fresh lemon juice, 8 pieces of fresh mint. Not too much, only 8, because if you increase more, the color will change. We added the glucose, 300 gram glucose. Better to give in the microwave for 10-20 seconds. It will be more easy to melt. Then you added the sugar, 300 gram sugar, and 480 milli water, fresh water. Just you put in a hot plate, mix together. The pectin and sugar, crystallized sugar together. 36 gram pectin NH, not normal pectin, because there is pectin for jelly, don't have strings. And 80 gram of crystal sugar, we mix it together. As you see, because if you drop the pectin on top of the liquid, it will become lumps. So we need to mix like this way, otherwise we'll lose the passion. When have 103 degree, I added the fresh mint, just to boil. When it's boiled, I remove. I added the pectin, mix it with sugar powder, crystallized sugar. Just slowly, as you see, you mix pectin with glucose, water, sugar. Is light caramel. It's not just boil. You don't need to over boiling. Over 100, it will be string, and it will damage the jelly. Just boiling, you added the pectin with the sugar, you stir, just leave it for 2 minutes boiling. After that, you added 2 fresh lemon juice, or if you have tartaric acid, you just put like 1 or 2 gram, but I prefer fresh lemon juice. Also, you can put 1 gram of citric acid if you don't have fresh lemon juice. The jelly almost finished. We keep aside. Then you have fresh fruit. You will see with brush. You can make a very nice. You don't need to buy. If you have vanilla steak overboiled, not fresh one, just boiled before, still have aroma, you can put it in the water and it will be really nice. Let's say again, 480 milli water, 300 gram sugar, 300 gram glucose, 8 fresh mint, 2 fresh lemon juice, 80 gram sugar, mixed with 36 of pectin NH